This is not a farmhouse. This is my dream house. I like living near nature and really like sleeping and awaking next to nature. With this view, I bought this land of 1.5 acres and developed my farmhouse. I'll be letting you people visit my farmhouse through this video. This is the walkway next to my farmhouse, and the fence you are seeing right now with the post, they are just installed. They are inexpensive in terms of cost, but they add a great look to my farm. You can find my small home. I really like tiny homes, and this is one gate of my farmhouse and other to my house. Just have a view around it, then I will let you visit inside. So this is a sideway, and as I already told you that this is encircled and protected by a fence. So this adds a great look, and you can see my hut. And now let's enter this. So at entering, you find my house on left side, and on right side you can see the citrus farm. Many plants, citrus plants, they are fruiting now, and right now you are seeing oranges. So beautiful look of all those piled orange plants. They are fully grown in around 3.5 years, and this is something special for you. And this is my self-planted forest just at the back of my house. Let's have a idea where it is located. So this is my forest, and let's enter and walk through it. So it's really difficult to enter this forest because plants are intermingled, but let's manage to enter. So this is so beautiful look, and you can see so many hundreds of plants planted so closely, packed in a small place. And this is my dream place